Good morning, everyone. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the landforms and the water bodies. What are landforms and what are water bodies? Landforms or water bodies, these are the natural features on the earth's surface. So, like examples like mountains, plains, valleys and deserts. These are all naturally formed on earth's surface. And water bodies, what we are going to talk about are like the water which is covered over the land, that is ponds, lakes, oceans, rivers and waterfalls. So we will be learning 5 features of each forms. So let's begin with these features on the earth's surface. We have studied about the how many states are there in the United States of America. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So let's start. I'll ask you some questions. You have to answer me those. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Which country do we live in?
The United States of America.
Slowly. Okay. Then, who is the president of the United States of America? Janit.
Mr. Joe
Biden. Then who is the vice president of the United States of America?
Kamala Harris.
Kamala Harris. Okay. Then who is the first lady?
Jill Biden.
Jill Biden. Good. Now tell me what is the national bird of the United States of America?
Bald eagle.
Good job. Okay. Now tell me what are the color of the flags?
Red, white, and blue.
Red, white and blue. Correct. How many red and white stripes do we have on the flag?
30.
13 stripes. 13 stripes. What do these 13 stripes represent?
13 colonies.
13 colonies. What do the stars represent on the flag?
50 states.
50 states. Now tell me, can we start with the states?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to go alphabetically. Okay? Yes? Start with A.
Alabama, Alaska, Arizona,
Arkansas. Go. 3 states.
California, Colorado, Connecticut.
Very good. D. 1 state.
Delaware.
F. 1 state.
Florida.
Florida. G. 1 state.
Georgia.
Georgia. Very good. H. 1 state.
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Very good. I. 4 states.
Idaho.
Idaho.
Illinois.
Illinois.
Indiana.
Indiana.
Iowa.
Excellent. K. 2 states.
Kansas.
Kansas. Kentucky. L. 1 state. Louisiana. M. There are 8 states. So start with 8 states. Are you going to say? I'll help you. Okay, say.
Maine.
Maryland.
Massachusetts. Michigan.
Minnesota. Missouri. Mississippi.
Montana.
Good job, Noah. Yes. N. Who's going to say N? Okay, start. Nebraska. Nevada.
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire.
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
New Mexico.
New Mexico.
New York.
New York.
North Carolina.
North Carolina. North Dakota. Excellent job. Now starts with O. 3 states with O. Okay, Tiffany. First start with Oregon. Ohio.
Oregon.
Oklahoma. Very nice. Okay, starting with
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Very good. Now, state starting with R. R.
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island. Good job. Now, two states starting with S.
South Carolina.
South Carolina, South Dakota. Good. Now, one state starting with A. U.
What about T?
U. Utah. Utah. Then, two states starting with V.
Vermont.
Virginia. Vermont, Virginia. And now, four states starting with W.
Washington.
Washington. West Virginia. Wisconsin. Wyoming. Got it? Yeah? Now, can I start with the questions with the state California? Okay? Yes? Come on, tell me. Who is the governor of the state of California? Governor. Gavin Newsom. Who is the mayor? Eric Garcetti. Then what is the state animal? Grizzly bear. The state bird? Quail. Then state flower? Golden poppy. Then the state, which is the capital of the state of California? Sacramento. Which is the largest city in the state of California? Los Angeles. And what is the state tree? Sequoia. Good job. Very nice. Yes. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you about the oceans that we have learned. Remember the oceans that I have taught you? How many oceans? Yes? Pearl? Yes. How many oceans do we have? What are the 5 oceans?
Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean.
Southern Ocean. Can anyone tell me? Okay, can anyone tell me which ocean is closer or surrounded by next to California? Pacific Ocean. We are closer to Pacific Ocean. Okay. Now tell me, where do the sun rise? East and sets in the west. Right? Now, what is a horizon?
North,
Horizon.
Eastern, West.
What is a horizon? No, where horizon means where the sky seems to meet the land. That line where the sky seems to meet the land, that line is called the horizon. You're getting it? Where we can see the sun setting, right? If we go to the beach to see the sunset, where we see the sunset, oh, you seen that, oh, okay, look, the sun is going in the sea, in the water, right? Yes, but it is not like that. That is just you feel it. That is the line where it seems to meet is called a horizon. Right? Now, what is an equator? Yes, there you go. The imaginary line around the earth which divides into 2 poles, the North Pole and the South Pole. That imaginary line is called the equator. Equator. Don't get mixed up with the horizon and the equator. Equator is the imaginary line that divides the earth into 2. North Pole, South Pole. North Hemisphere, South Hemisphere. Okay? That imaginary line which cannot be seen, that imaginary line is called the equator. Getting it? Now, 4 main directions. What are the 4 main directions?
North, South,
East and West. Right? Where do the sun, you said, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Got it? Yes. And then what is the direction between north and west? Northwest. What is the direction between north and east? Northeast. What is the direction between south and west? Southwest. What is the direction between south and east? Southeast. Okay, so now so far what did we learn? We learned about the United States of America, who is the president, vice president, and so on. And then we did the 50 states starting with in alphabetical order, right? Then we did some general questions about the state of California, and then directions, 4 directions, the subdirections, and we also learned about some general questions about what is horizon and what is equator. So now tomorrow we'll be learning something else more, and of course we will be revising on the same again. Okay? Done? Yes? Thank you for listening. Good job. Everyone give a big hand to yourself. Everyone. Very nice.